guys, this is Jannat Zubair Rahmani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and having an amazing day. So guys, you know how much I love to travel, and even though we have been staying indoors most of the time, it is very important to take care of our skin. Now, to ensure that our skin is looking healthy, it is mandatory to follow a religious skincare routine. One such ingredient which helps in refining your pores and brightens your skin along with a mild exfoliation action is salicylic acid. Recently, I have started using this range from L'Oreal Paris, which gives me crystal clear skin. I am talking about the Crystal range from L'Oreal Paris. This range consists of the Crystal Micro Essence, Crystal Sheet Mask and the newly launched Crystal Micellar Water. You guys already know by now that I love the Crystal Micro Essence and the Sheet Mask that I have been using for a year now and is an integral part of my skincare. Apart from these two, the Crystal Micellar Water has also been doing its magic on my skin. So without any further delay, let's move on to the application. First, I will use the Crystal Micellar Water to clean my face. Now, would you think micellar water is used to only remove makeup? But no, this one is not. It's the perfect cleanser and removes the smallest impurities like a cleansing magnet. All you have to do is take some product on a cotton pad, swipe it across your face and remember to not rinse it off. Guys, can you see the texture? It's extremely light in weight and it's non-greasy. After applying this, my skin feels very fresh and you will actually notice visible difference in a few weeks. And don't worry you guys, even if you have sensitive skin, you can use this as it does not irritate your skin. And for my second step, I use my favorite Crystal Micro Essence. I know most of you guys don't really know the importance of an essence and hence skip it. But let me tell you, an essence is something that packs in hydration and active ingredients deep into the skin because of its lightweight texture. Especially this micro essence, which penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin and gets absorbed instantly, leaving the skin feeling radiant and smooth. I take some product on my palm and gently pat it into my skin. You know how earlier I mentioned it is important to have the right ingredients in your skincare regime, and salicylic acid is a must-have. The key benefits of using salicylic acid's products are: helps in unclogging pores, removes dead skin cells and reduces blemishes and scars. This essence contains salicylic acid that accelerates skin renewal and mildly exfoliates the skin, and also works wonders for acne-prone skin. Guys, can you see how radiant my skin is looking? I highly encourage you guys to add essence in your skincare routine, especially this one. Now for some extra hydration, I will use a sheet mask. The sheet mask I love using is the Crystal Sheet Mask, which gives instant hydration to the skin. I apply this sheet mask twice a week just for 15 minutes and I am sorted. It is the only mask that has essence that penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin and gives brighter, crystal clear skin. I love how the mask fits on my face perfectly and it is very breathable without any dripping. So there you go, my very easy 3-step regime for clear, radiant and healthy looking skin. Use twice to get the best results. If you're watching this and you don't follow this skincare routine, then you should definitely start. Because this range covers many skincare needs and has improved my skin. I have added all the product links in the description, check it out. Also, let me quickly give you details about the products. Crystal Micro Essence is available in 3 sizes: 22 ml, 65 ml, 130 ml. The Crystal Sheet Mask is available for Rs 150 and the Micellar Water is available in 2 sizes: 95 ml for Rs 299 and 400 ml for Rs 899. So guys, this is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do try out the products. सबके links मेरे description में हैं and do let me know. See you guys super soon. Bye.